Cheers. Whoa.
Ladybug, Katarina. It's lunchtime. Come fly with me to our picnic table. Fly, fly, fly. Do-do-do-do-do.
I've got all the things we need for a ladybug lunch.
Oh, goody. Watch how I can make a ladybug with these apples.
Do you get what snacks are?
I'm using peanut butter.
Bananas.
Peanut butter is sticky.
Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. And these chocolate chip cookies.
Dot.
And these
I'm using
with
raisins.
meatball, yeah? What is your favorite snack? And now coming up on Nick
Now,
Jr.
what do you want to use for the antenna?
We can use these pretzels. Thanks, Mommy.
Thanks, Mommy.
Look! Ladybug lunch is flying to my mouth.
Giggle.
I love apple with peanut butter.
jelly sandwiches.
Yummy! Does anyone in your neighborhood like making snacks?
Yes?
Bye!
Giggle.
It's a beautiful day in my neighborhood, so much to do, so much to see. Won't you bounce along with me? Won't you bounce along with me? Hi, neighbor. It's me, Miss Elena.
Giggle. Giggle rocket style.
I love
To
collecting
view.
them. I wonder which ball bounced the highest. Wow, the purple ball bounced the highest. Bounce, bounce, bounce. I wonder if someone in your neighborhood likes to collect something.
Has it? Goodbye, neighbor.
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the Bye-bye, neighbor.
Bye.